What's up, my people? What's up, my people? No fear, we got that day. So today I'll be reviewing the NGTeco Smart Alarm Kit, the A100. What does it do? What are the benefits? And why do you need to get one? Stay tuned as we get started. You see, the NGTeco Smart Alarm Kit is one part of the vast NGTeco Smart Home Automation solutions designed to secure, protect, and keep your home safe even when you're away. Yes, you heard that right. The NGTeco Home Automation solutions come in various ways, from the smart lights to smart door locks to smart cameras and many more. This smart alarm kit here is just one of them. The NGTeco Smart Home Alarm Kit is designed to keep your home, valuable, and family member safe and secure at all times. Now, what comes in the package? What comes in the box? First of all, the motion sensor, the window sensor, the remote, and the alarm kit itself. All this together makes up the NGTeco Smart Home Alarm Kit. Now you'll be asking, what are the benefits? How do they work? Wait. We'll get to that in a minute. Let us talk about the different parts that make up this automation system. Basically, this is the motion detection. Once this has been installed and someone passes through your premises or where it has been installed, this sends an alarm signal to this place, which then rings out to you and makes you know that, okay, someone has trespassed on my property, someone is entering my property, or someone is entering my facility. This is currently disarmed now. Let me arm it and show you how it works basically. I've armed it now and
Zone 2 alarm.
it doesn't stop making noise until I disarm it on the mobile app or someone disarms it using the remote. Number two is the door or window sensor. Basically, this works when someone opens your door ajar whenever you're not home, or opens the window, breaks into your home without your permission. This sends a signal to your mobile phone and also to the alarm kit, sending the sound across your home and letting you know, oh, someone has broken into your home. Let me arm it in a minute and show you how that works. Now, I've armed it.
Alarm. Disarm.
Once again, I armed it.
Zone 1 alarm. Disarm.
Last we have on our list is the remote control. So that's the kits that makes up the NGTeco Smart Alarm Kit. So what are the benefits of this smart alarm kits in your home? Number one, it also prevents theft. How? Whenever thieves or burglars realize that you have this sort of device at your home, they don't want to come to your house again because they know that once they enter your house, na go be big wahala for them. 2. Remote monitoring. With the NGTeco Smart Alarm Kit, you can easily monitor whatever is going on in your home, your mobile phone, whether you are away. Isn't that convenient? And last but not the least, peace of mind. You know, I can't overemphasize how this is important for every one of us. When you have good security, securing you, securing your home, securing your facility, securing your family and your valuables, you know, it gives this sort of peace of mind that makes you feel assured, makes you feel protected whenever and wherever. The NGTeco Smart Alarm Kit does just that for you. And that's all for today's video. Follow us, like our post, share, and tell your friend to tell a friend about it. Thank you and see you next week.